Circle. Today we discuss about some tricks about Vedic maths. Okay, so this is part 1, and in this part we will discuss multiplication with 9 or any number of nines, whether it is 9 or it is 99 or it is 999 and so on. Okay, so we can multiply within a seconds or within a fraction of seconds with 9, and it can be any number of nines. Okay, so suppose I'm taking an example, that is, suppose we have to multiply 4648 into 999. Okay, so in this case, this is a very big number and this is also a very big number, and multiplication of these numbers are also big. Now when I multiply this with this 999, what will the answer? This is 6 4 7, then 3 5 and 2. This is the answer. Okay, now we will learn how I take out this answer within the fractions of second. Okay, so first we have to learn the types when we multiply with a number with 999 or 99 or any number of nines. So for this, first we have to learn the three types. So these three types is, in which first type we already have seen, that is the number of nines and the number of digits to which we have multiplied it will be same, means 648 into 999. So here the number of digits are 3 and here also the number of nines are 3. So this is the type 1. We call it type 1. Okay, then next we have type 2. In type 2 we have lesser number of digits but more number of nines. So suppose we have to multiply 35 with 999. Here the number of digits are 2 and number of nines are 3. So this will categorize as type 2. Okay, then we have type 3. So in type 3 we have more number of digits. We can take this 648 and number of nines will be less than that. Okay, it can be 99. So we learn about these three types, and you will see in these three types all the digits that we have to multiply with any number of nines will be covered. Okay, so what we'll do in the type 1. So first we have to learn something, that is base and complement. Okay, base and complement. So what are this base and complement? So suppose we take a number, suppose 22. So what is base for this? Just take the number of digits equal to the number of zeros. So it is 100. Okay, so suppose I have to take a base for 343. So what is the base for this? We take the number of digits as the number of zeros, so it will become 1000. Okay, then next is, suppose I'm taking a number that is 1549. So base for that number is 10000. So it is 10,000. So the number of digits equal to the number of zeros. So this is the base. And now we go to the complement. Okay, we go to the complement. What is complement? complement. Here the complement is when we subtract this number from its base. When we subtract this number from its base, the number so obtained is called complement. So when we subtract 22, when we subtract this 22 from 100, what should be the answer? Answer should be 78. Okay, and when we subtract this 1000, sorry, when we subtract this 343 from 1000, what should be the answer? The answer should be 657. Okay, so this will be the answer when we subtract 343 from 1000. Okay, and when we subtract this 1549 from 10,000, what should be the answer? Answer should be 8, 4, 5 and 1. Okay, so first I tell you how can you subtract from this number from the base, so that we can easily compute this the complement. Okay, so suppose you go with the traditional way. So traditional way, how can you subtract? You subtract 22 from 100. What you will do? You take a carry here, and this will become 10, and then you subtract 10. Then you subtract 2 from 10, and it will be 8, and this will become 9. Okay, then 9, you have to subtract this 2 from 9, then that is 7, and that's it. You got your answer. Okay, you got your answer, but we have to subtract it fast. So how can you subtract it fast? You go along the traditional way. आपको traditional way के साथ ही जाना है. आपको करना क्या है? What you have to do? You have to just take. Suppose you have to subtract 43 from 100. What you have to do? Make it 10, and all subsequent digits as 9. Okay. Now you have to subtract this 3 from this 10. Then the answer will be 7. And when you subtract this 4 from 9, 4 from 9, the answer will be 57. 57 is your answer. How can you apply in this? So you have to take this as 10, this is 9, this is 9. So when we subtract 3 from 10, it will be 7. When you subtract 4 from 9, it will be 5. And when you subtract 3 from 9, it will be 6. So this will be answer. Okay. Similar we go with this. So we have to make it as 10. This is 9. This is 9. And this is 9. Now subtract 9 from 10. That is 1. Subtract 4 from 9. That is 5. Subtract 5 from 9, that is 4, and subtract 1 from 9, that is 8. But it is better if you go in this flow. So first you subtract 1 from 9, then 5 from 9, then 4 from 9, then 10 from 9. Okay, so it will be help. Now we go to our types. Okay, now we go to the type 1. Okay, so in type 1, what I will tell you, you have the equal number of digits and equal number of nines. Equal number of digits and equal number of nines. So suppose I am taking 5, 4, 3 into 9, 9, 9. So equal number of digits. We have 3 digits and we have also 3 nines. Okay, so what I have to do, I will have to just subtract 1 from this number. I have to just subtract 1 from this number. So what will this number will become? It will become 542. It will become 542. Just subtract minus, I will just subtract 1 from this number. So this will become 542. And then what will take? I will take complement of this number. I will take the complement of this number. So what will the complement? So you know the trick, that is you have to make this 9, this is also 9, and this is 10. Okay, once you practice this, you can do it in your mental conditions, or you can just do it mentally. So you have to subtract 3 from, or you can start from there. You can subtract 5 from 9, so it will be 4. Then 4 from 9, it will be 5. Then 10, then 3 from 10, that it will be 7. So this will be answer. Okay, we do some more questions. That is, suppose I want to do 4, 3, 7 into 999. Okay, now what first I have to do? I have to subtract 1 from this number. So when I subtract 1 from this number, so the answer will be 436. And then what we have to do? We have to take the complement. We have to take the complement of this number. We have to take the complement of this number. So what is the complement of this number? So I will take 9, 9 and 10. So when we subtract 4 from 9, it will be 5. When I subtract 3 from 9, it will be 6. And when I subtract 7 from 10, it will be 3. So this will be your answer. Okay, we will take one more example, then we switch to the type 2. Okay, so suppose I am taking a number that is 695, and I have to multiply it with 999. Okay, now how can I do this? What we have to do? First we have to subtract 1 from this number. First we have to subtract 1 from this number. So when I subtract 1 from this number, so it will become 694. It will become 694. So the next thing is I have to take complement of this number. So what I have to do? I have to just put 9, 9 and 10. So when I subtract this 6 from 9, it will become 3. 9 minus 9 is 0. And 10 minus 5 is 5. So this is your answer. Now I switch to type 2. Now I switch to type 2. So in type 2, what we have to discuss? We have to discuss if we have a lesser number of digits and more number of 9s. So suppose you have 34, and then you have to multiply this with 999. So here we have lesser number of digits, but more number of 9s. Lesser number of digits and more number of 9s. So what you have to do? You have to put a 0 in front of that number. You have to put a 0 in front of that number. And then what you have to do? You have to subtract 1 from this number. You have to subtract 1 from this number, then it will become, that is minus 1, it will become 33. Now what you have to do? You have to take complement of that number. You have to take complement of that number. So what is the complement? It will be 9, 9 and 10. So 9 minus 0 is 9. And 9 minus 3 is 6, and 10 minus 4 is also 6. So this will be your answer. Okay, we do some more questions of type 2. Okay, and then for type 3 we go to the next video. That will I soon release the second part of this video. Before that, you can practice these questions of type 1. Once you have mastered the type 1 and type 2, the type 3 will become easy for you. But first you have to make sure that you have practiced the type 1 and type 2. Then it will become easy to detect the type 3, and you can practice the questions of type 3. Okay, so the second question is, suppose you are taking 65 and then 999. Okay, then what you have to do, you have to just subtract minus 1 from this, so that is 64. Now you have to take complement, so put a 0 here, and then 9, 9 and 10. So 9 minus 0 is 9, 9 minus 6 is 3, and 10 minus 5 is 5. Okay, so this will be your answer. One more question and then we end this video, otherwise the video will become too long and it is difficult to upload a big video. Okay, so the next is, suppose we are taking 81 into 999. So what we have to do, first we have to take a 0 here. Okay, then I have to subtract 1 from this, that is 80. Then I have to take complement, that is 9, 9, 10. This is 9, this is 1, and this is 9. So this will be the answer. Okay, so that's it for today, and we will discuss some questions in the next class. Okay, bye till then.